So I'm trying out the Refleks stove for the first time, and I put it on this. You turn it off by putting it like this. It didn't work first, but I had to clean this one. So I think you turn it off like that, and then you have no new diesel. So it's pretty yellow. You can watch down there also. First I fire it up with this one. It's ethanol for a couple of minutes, and then I turn on that one. First I have to open that valve, so it's anti-clockwise to turn it open, and then I also have to put the tank to on position here. So we got some diesel down here. You can see it there, and I made this myself. Yes, I have spilled some. You can't get everything right for the first time. So now it's off in that position, so I gotta put it in. Let some diesel out again. Let's put it there. I think you can regulate how much by turning this in or out. If I pull this all the way out, let's see what happens. Long way to go. Perhaps we get some diesel coming out here, or some flames. It's pretty wet, yeah. I'll put it back. I think this regulates how much is coming through. I've been burning it for 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and it's pretty. It's cozy, a bit warm, but not that you can see I can hold this. So up here it's much hotter, of course. So I've removed the lid here, and let's see if we can see something without getting burned. You can see the diesel is coming in from that part, and well, maybe you can't see it. I can see it. Now you can see it, perhaps. You see the wet part there? That's where the diesel comes in. And yeah, so it's coming in steady. And we got it on this setting, pretty much straight up. Now I put it all the way to the left, and I think we get more diesel inside. I think it's getting wetter. So this part is still not hot, but this one is, because it's directly to the this is hot. This is cold. This is cold. This is medium. This is pretty medium. So this is the low setting. As you can see, there are no smoke. And this is the roof. We got about 12 degrees Celsius when I'm testing this. So No smoke. It's burning lean. Can't hear it. Sometimes it makes some sound. I don't know. Listen. Yeah, it's other sound you hear. So this is the model number 66M. It's a smaller version. It's enough. This is definitely the maximum heat, and this one is the minimum, of course. So I put back this plastic cup and I've turned it on to max, and we get more heat definitely. So now it's been burning for, still I can touch this one. It's getting hot up here, still touchable, but pretty hot up here. Down here, not warm at all. So it's pretty isolated, the heat source. So again, this is max, and you can see how wet it is down there. So that's the diesel, and yeah, got this, and this is pulled out. So I'm gonna turn it off now and let's burn it all up. Don't know if you can see, but the heat comes from the side now. The air comes from the side since I have closed this one. So the fuel is coming in to this level. If you remove this and fill it all the way up, the safety will let the excess out in this one here. So if this for some reason is getting overfilled, it will drain here. It will not go inside this one or put more pressure on this one. So that's a nice feature, but yeah. It's a valve that goes from the fuel, and you shut the fuel off here just like a regular. You turn it clockwise to shut it and anti-clockwise to open it. When burning it on the leanest, the flame all comes from where the fuel is from, right in this case, where the fuel is coming in. So you can see it's lean fuel now. And I've been running this burner for almost an hour now, and it still has perhaps it has consumed 1 deciliter too, maybe max. This tank is perhaps 2 liter or something like that max. So this fuel tank is made of some used bottle I found thrown away, and inside it you put the fuel valve with a nut and the gasket. Yeah, it's diesel inside here, and then just a rubber gasket on the outside, and then I put it's pretty narrow, so I'm putting a, don't know what they call this in English, and then perhaps should put in a fuel filter, but this is the way, easy. do-it-yourself tank. Yes, I spilled some. Yeah, I did. But now it's not leaking anymore. But I was messing around and I almost pulled this all away for the side, and yeah, so no leaking. A fuel tank should have some kind of possibility to get air inside, and this one has it, but now it's open anyway. But so now it has been burning for almost an hour, and I don't know if you can see a small smoke going on the lowest, leanest level, and I can hold my hand here even though it's pretty hot. But this is the minimum wattage, minimum heating. I'm gonna turn it off now by using this knob. I turn it, click, now it's off. You can see it's small text there, off. And I'll tell you how long it takes before it turns off. It went out pretty fast. Now it's turned off. No fire down there, just smoke. So it's smoking when you turn it off.